Good morning, everyone. Today we're sitting inside the 2020 Acura RDX with the technology package. Today, one of the features I wanted to go over with you is the brake hold. So, brake hold is useful when you're at a stoplight and you want to take a break from braking. So, for brake hold to work or to turn on, all you have to do is put your seatbelt on, put your foot on the brake, and press the brake hold button. And as you guys can tell, now it's turned on. So to know if the feature is working, it's gonna say hold, and it's gonna be highlighted on by the green light. If it's not working, it's only gonna say brake hold, or you're not gonna see anything. So if it's hold and it's highlighted by the green light, that means it's on. Now I can let go of the brake, and as you guys can tell, we're not moving, we're staying still. And remember, this feature only works when you're in drive. When you put it on reverse, it's not gonna work. As you guys can tell, we're moving backwards. So I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.